Hello, so today I'm going to show you how to safely and accurately use a peeler. So we have a very easy thing to peel, a carrot, and we have two types of peeler. So we have peeler which is like this and a longer, thinner peeler like this. So when using your peeler, it's very important you use it in the right direction, making sure you're not peeling towards your fingers or your hands. So I do not want to be peeling this way. That's peeling towards my hand, or this way. This is peeling towards fingers and my thumb. Always make sure you have your grip and you're always peeling away. Fingers are gripped underneath and one long stroke. Fingers out of the way, one long stroke. All the way down the length of the carrots. And again for the other peeler, make sure you're not peeling towards your fingers or your thumbs. Grip it towards the end, make sure fingers are tucked underneath, and one long even stroke. And that is how to safely use a peeler.